This video shows you how to install the Netatmo Smart Carbon Monoxide Alarm. You can install it yourself, no expert knowledge is required. The pack contains all the product components required for the installation: the Smart Carbon Monoxide Alarm, the wall mount, 2 screws and 2 anchors, the user guide. You will also need the following basic tools: a pencil, a drill with a 5mm drill bit, a Phillips screwdriver. For the installation you will need a smartphone or tablet, a private Wi-Fi network with high-speed internet. Please note that the Smart Carbon Monoxide Alarm will detect carbon monoxide and will trigger the alarm even if the Wi-Fi isn't configured. However, you will need Wi-Fi to receive smartphone alerts when you are away. Before installing the Smart Carbon Monoxide Alarm, read the safety information detailed in the user guide provided in the pack. It is highly recommended that you install a Smart Carbon Monoxide Alarm on each floor in rooms with a fuel-burning appliance, such as a boiler, a fireplace, or a wood-burning stove, a gas cooker. You should also install a Smart Carbon Monoxide Alarm in the garage and in rooms with a heating flue. For maximum protection, you can install extra Smart Carbon Monoxide Alarms in the most used living areas and in every bedroom. Choose where to install the Smart Carbon Monoxide Alarm. It should be installed more than 2 meters away from fuel-burning appliances and ideally no more than 4 meters away. It should be installed at a maximum height of 1.5 meters from the floor. Check your smartphone to make sure you have Wi-Fi reception where you've chosen to install the device. If you do not, try to move your Wi-Fi router closer. Following the location recommendations, place the wall mount in the relevant position and mark the 2 fixing holes with a pencil. Drill the 2 holes. Insert 1 anchor in each of the 2 holes. Place the wall mount in the right position and place the 2 screws provided to fix the wall mount to the wall. Tighten the screws in order to secure the wall mount. Secure the Smart Carbon Monoxide Alarm on the wall mount by aligning the slots on the wall mount with the alarm. Then turn the alarm clockwise to fix it to the wall mount. Once attached to the wall mount, the Smart Carbon Monoxide Alarm will beep loudly and all the LEDs will turn on. The green LED will then flash once per minute to indicate that the device is working properly. Download the Home Plus Security app, available for free on the App Store and Google Play Store. Create an account or log in to an existing one. Follow the instructions on the screen to pair your smartphone with your Smart Carbon Monoxide Alarm. Enjoy a safer home.